हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आई होप कि आप सब बढ़िया होंगे। तो स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल टेक्निकल चालू में। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है कंप्यूटर फंडामेंटल्स। डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर. Computer may be defined as an electronic device that receives input, process it and give output according to the pre-programmed instruction. It also stores data which may be retrieved for later use. Nowadays, computer is not only used by the professionals but also by the common man for day-to-day things. मतलब कि कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है जिसे हम कोई इनपुट देते हैं, वो उससे प्रोसेस करता है और हमें एक मीनिंगफुल आउटपुट देता है अकॉर्डिंग टू द प्री प्रोग्राम्ड इंस्ट्रक्शंस। कंप्यूटर में हम किसी भी डाटा को स्टोर कर सकते हैं जो बाद में हम कभी भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं। आजकल कंप्यूटर सिर्फ प्रोफेशनल्स ही नहीं, आम लोग भी इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपनी रोजमर्रा के कामों के लिए। नेक्स्ट, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. Nowadays, computers play a vital role in the human life. They are widely used in homes, businesses, educational institutions, government offices, medical field, research organization, military operations, and entertainment, etc. Home. Computers are used at home to manage day-to-day things like paying of online bill, booking of online goods and services, for home tuitions, and accessing of social networking sites. Educational institution. Computers are much familiar in education institutions for making notes, online lectures, managing database of students and staffs, and for research collaboration, etc. Next, medical field. In medical field, computers are used for managing database of patient staff, monitoring of health parameters, and used with other medical equipments. Next, military operations. Computers are playing an important role in military operations. Computer-based scenarios are made before going to actual operation, which ensure their success in combat operations. Next, research organization. Computers have changed the way of research by analyzing the minute big data with very high speeds, which is impossible for human beings. Next, businesses. Computers are used in the business to manage database of its clients, products, and staff. Business without a computer is impossible. Next, entertainment. Computers are used to play video games, movie through OTT platforms, online games, virtual games, etc. Next one is industries. Computers are used in industries to manage inventory, sales, marketing, etc. नेक्स्ट हम बात करेंगे जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर, फर्स्ट जनरेशन 1940 से 1950 तक, और इसमें जो हार्डवेयर रहा वो वैक्यूम ट्यूब बेस्ड था. सेकेंड जनरेशन 1950 टू 1960, इसमें ट्रांजिस्टर बेस्ड हार्डवेयर था. थर्ड जनरेशन 1960 टू 1970 इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट बेस्ड था. फोर्थ जनरेशन 1970 टू प्रेजेंट जो कि माइक्रो प्रोसेसर बेस्ड हार्डवेयर है. एंड फिफ्थ जनरेशन द प्रेजेंट एंड द फ्यूचर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंसी बेस्ड है. आइए अब हम डिटेल में देखते हैं कि इन जनरेशन के क्या करेक्टरिस्टिक्स थे. द मेन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ फर्स्ट जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. मेन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स वैक्यूम ट्यूब. मेन मेमोरी magnetic drums and magnetic tapes. Programming language machine language. Power consume a lot of electricity and generate a lot of heat. Speed and size very slow and very large in size. Input and output devices punched cards and paper tapes. Examples ENIAC, Univixi, IBM 650, IBM 701, etc. Quantity there were about 100 different vacuum tubes computers produced between 1942 and 1963. नेक्स्ट है सेकेंड जनरेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. मेन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कंपोनेंट्स ट्रांजिस्टर. ये जो डायग्राम दिखाई गई है ये है ट्रांजिस्टर. मेमोरी मैग्नेटिक कोर एंड मैग्नेटिक टेप आर डिस्क. प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज असेंबली लैंग्वेज. Power and size low power consumption generated less heat and small in size. Speed improvement of speed and reliability. Input and output devices punched card and magnetic tape. Examples IBM 1401, IBM 1790 and 1794, UNIVAC 1107, etc. Next, third generation of computers. Main electronic components, integrated circuits, memory, large magnetic core, magnetic tape hard disk, programming language, high level language. Size, smaller, cheaper and more efficient than second generation of computers. Speed, improvement of speed and reliability. Input and output devices, magnetic tape, keyboard, monitor, printer, etc. Examples, IBM 360, IBM 370, PDP 11, UNIVAC 1108, etc. Another is fourth generation of computers. Main electronic components, very large scale integration and microprocessor. Memory, semiconductor memory such as RAM, ROM, etc. Programming language, high level language, Python, Java, JavaScript, Rust, Kotlin, etc. Size, smaller, cheaper and more efficient than third generation computers. Speed, improvement of speeds, accuracy and reliability. Input output devices, keyboard, pointing devices, optical scanning, monitor, printer, etc. Network, a group of two or more computer systems linked together. Examples, IBM PC, Star 1000, Apple II, Apple Macintosh, etc. And next, fifth generation of computers, the present and the future. Main electronic components based on artificial intelligence uses the ultra large scale integrations ULSI technology and parallel processing method. ULSI, millions of transistors on a single microchip. Parallel processing method use two or more microprocessors to run tasks simultaneously. Language, understand natural languages, human language. Power, consume less power and generate less heat. Speed, remarkable improvement of speed, accuracy and reliability comparisons with the fourth generation computers. Size, portable and small in size and have a huge storage capacity. Input output devices, keyboard, monitor, mouse, trackpad or touchpad, touch screen, pen, speech input, recognize voice and speech, light scanners, printers, etc. Example, desktop, laptop, tablet, smartphone, etc. Now we are going to discuss characteristics of computers. Firstly, speed. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं कि कंप्यूटर बहुत ही स्पीड में काम करता है, मिलियंस ऑफ कैलकुलेशंस सेकंड्स में कर देता है. नेक्स्ट इज एक्यूरेसी, मतलब कि कंप्यूटर कभी भी गलत आउटपुट नहीं देता जब तक हम उसे गलत इनपुट ना दें. नेक्स्ट वन इज डेलीगेंस. डेलीगेंस मीन्स नेवर गेट ऑफ टाइड, कंप्यूटर कभी भी थकता नहीं चाहे एक काम कितनी बार दिया जाए. नेक्स्ट, वर्साटिलिटी, मतलब it is versatile in nature, it can perform different tasks. Next, reliability means you can reliable on it. Next, memory means computer has huge memory, tons of data can be stored in a single file. Now we will discuss input and output devices. Input device. An input device is any hardware device that sends data to a computer, allowing you to interact with and control it. The picture shows a Logitech keyboard and mouse, which is an example of an output device. Type of input devices: keyboard, mouse, touchscreen, barcode reader, RFID reader, punch card reader, joystick, scanner, camera, etc. Output device. An output device is any piece of computer hardware equipment which converts information into human readable form. Type of output device: monitor, printer, speaker, projector, etc. Next, software and hardware. Software. Software is a set of instructions, data or program used to operate computers and execute specific tasks. Software is a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts and programs that run on a device. Types of software. It is of three types, with system software, application software, and utility software. Hardware. It is the opposite of software, which describes that physical aspects of a computer. All those physical components which make a computers and can be seen and touched are called hardware. Next, main components of computer and their function. CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is an electronic circuitry and important part of the computer which perform arithmetic and logic operations. RAM, it stands for Random Access Memory. It is a hardware component in the computer used to store data of present app or program on which processor is working. It is a volatile memory and lost its contents on, power off. ROM, it stands for read-only memory. It is read-only memory and data written on it at the time of manufacturing, and therefore it is also referred as firmware. Next is HDD. Hard disk drive, an electromechanical device used in computer to store data permanently. Usually system software and application software are kept in HDD, that's shown in picture. Next, motherboard. As the name indicates, it is mother of all the boards. All electronic chips, ports, and are embedded on it. SMPS stand for switch mode power supply, and electronic components embedded on motherboard are kept separately for providing different DC supply to component of computer. Thank you. तो अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इसे लाइक, सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें. थैंक यू.